In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play One Block in Minecraft Android Mobile with your friends. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. All you have to do to play One Block Survival in Minecraft Android with your friends is first select Play from the main menu, go into the Friends tab, and make sure you add your friends over at this menu by looking them up using their gamer tag. After both of you are added, you should be able to see them listed over here. Now, for the method I'm going to show you in this video, what you have to do is go over to the Servers tab and add a new server. You can name this anything you want. You can just name it One Block Server, for example, and the server we got to connect to is named One Block MC. So, in the server address, type bedrock.oneblockmc.com and select Save or Play. As you can see, I have already added it, so I can just select Join Server from my list. After you load into the game, what you have to do is type the /team command in chat. After you load into the game, simply type /team, a space, and then the name of the person that you want to invite to your team. You are going to get this option where you can browse their profile, and afterwards, both of you will be able to play One Block Survival together. I hope I was able to help you on how to play One Block Survival in Minecraft together on Android mobile multiplayer. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.